Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to use battery operated eraser. This is Levin Morrison battery operated eraser which comes with electric eraser, eraser holders, 10 to 2.3 mm eraser refills, 12 5 mm eraser refills. Firstly, we have to install this two AAA batteries which does not comes with this. We have to purchase it separately. Turn this knob anti-clockwise and insert the batteries. Here it is plus, and turn this battery clockwise. Now the operation. Press and hold this button to operate. See, this battery is spinning. Then off. Again off. You can change this reverse by just pulling this eraser holder, and again you can insert it. This is 5 mm eraser refill. For 2.3 mm eraser refills you have to use this plastic eraser holder. I'll mention this product details in the description. Do check out. See, you have to insert this eraser up to as you like. See, like this. Remove this and insert. That's it. Operation same. Press and hold. Example, erase like this. Press and hold this and erase. See. Use this and test. Simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Navya's Drawn to Life. Thank you.